Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Democracy, Human Rights and Labour Thomas Melia held a press conference on the results of its visit to Azerbaijan that coincided with the Human Rights Day. We held different meetings with government officials and civil society stakeholders in which we discussed strengthening democratic political system and ensuring civil rights, said Melia, emphasizing that the United States has better relationship with those states which respect the rights of its citizens. 2013 is an election year in Azerbaijan, and ahead of the upcoming presidential elections, we are monitoring how Azerbaijan complies with its obligations undertaken before the OSCE and other international organizations, noted the Deputy Assistant Secretary of State. Touching the current state of human rights in Azerbaijan, Melia said that the opinions of the US government regarding human rights are clearly stated in its annual reports. The reports assess the current situation and make suggestions for any improvement. Melia expressed concern over the recent amendments to the law on freedom of assembly. Such amendments and changes to the legislation restrict citizens' right to freedom of assembly and association. Instead of restricting the freedoms, the government should take measures to encourage people to exercise these rights, said the US official. Worried about the threat of closure for the Azarlık newspaper, Melia said that a solution must be found to this problem as the Azarlık represents the freedom of media in the country. Touching upon the pressure on journalists, Melia said that this is unacceptable.